Right now, someone is thinking about calling you, but they're fighting the urge because they think you need them more than they need you. What if I told you how to flip that in the next few minutes? Listen, I'm going to say something most people won't dare admit. They're not ignoring you because they don't care. They're ignoring you because they can feel you chasing them, even when you're silent. You need to hear this before you screw it up even more. If you're serious about getting that text, or that call, from them, without saying a single word, don't skip a second of this video, because once you know this, there's no going back. Drop a comment below. Who's the one you want to call you? Just their initials. Let's see how many of us are owning it today. Be honest with me. How many times have you checked your phone today hoping for their name to pop up? 5 times? 10? 20? Yeah, I get it. You keep asking yourself, why won't they just call me? Don't they miss me? But here's the kicker. The more you want it, the further you push it away. Sounds unfair, right? Like some cruel cosmic joke where wanting something guarantees you won't get it. But that's exactly why most people never get that call. They're stuck in this endless loop of wanting, waiting, checking, hoping, and then feeling disappointed when the screen stays dark. What if I told you there's a way to flip this whole thing? So they feel the itch to pick up the phone and hear your voice. No begging, no awkward double texts, no obsessing over what you did wrong. I'm talking about making them feel like they have to reach out. And the craziest part, it doesn't even take you saying a word to them. Look, I'm not going to sell you some fairy tale. This isn't about manifesting in the woo-woo way where you light candles and chant their name 3 times. It's about something real, something they can't help but feel. Because when you shift your energy from desperate to magnetic, they can sense it. It's like suddenly you're not the one who needs them. You're the one they're afraid of losing. Ever noticed that? How when you stop caring so much, suddenly they're checking in. When you get busy with your own life, suddenly your phone starts buzzing. When you finally let go of that tight grip you had on the outcome, suddenly they want to be part of your world again. Why do you think that happens? It's not coincidence. It's not luck. It's energy, pure and simple. Here's the truth no one tells you. Desperation is loud, even if you never text them. They feel it. It's in the way you think about them all day, replaying conversations in your head. It's in that tight feeling in your chest when you see they're online but not talking to you. It's in how you analyze every little thing they do or don't do. You know what that tells them, even without a word. I need you to choose me so I can feel okay. My happiness depends on you calling me. I'm not complete without your attention. And let's be honest, would you want to answer a call from someone who's that desperate for you to validate them? Someone whose whole mood depends on whether you text them back or not? Of course not. That kind of energy feels heavy, suffocating, needy. It makes people want to run in the opposite direction. Now flip it. Imagine being the one they can't stop thinking about. Imagine them checking their phone, hoping to see your name. Imagine them wondering what you're up to, who you're with, what's making you laugh. Because you're not chasing. You're not waiting. You're living. You're busy creating a life so interesting, so fulfilling, that they wonder if they still have a place in it. You're the one they can't quite figure out. The one who used to always be available but now seems to have other things going on. The one who used to text first, but now they're staring at your last message, wondering if they should reach out. That's the energy that makes them think, God, I need to hear their voice right now. That's what makes them feel like they might be losing something precious. But hey, if you'd rather keep checking your phone every 5 minutes, wondering why they're ignoring you, if you'd rather keep feeling that sick feeling in your stomach when you see they were online but didn't message you back, if you'd rather keep analyzing every word of their last text for hidden meanings, you can stop watching right now, seriously. If you're not ready to let go of chasing energy, this isn't for you. If you're more comfortable being the one who always initiates, always wonders, always waits, keep doing that. But if you're done feeling like you're not enough, keep watching. If you're tired of being the backup plan, the afterthought, the one they call when they're bored, if you're ready to be the one they think about when they can't sleep, because I'm going to show you how to flip the script today. Here's what most people get wrong. They think being magnetic means playing games, ignoring them back, being cold, acting like you don't care. That's not it. Being magnetic means you genuinely have other things going on. You're not pretending to be busy. You actually are. You're not faking indifference. You're genuinely focused on your own life. When someone becomes your whole world, you stop being interesting to them. Think about it. The most attractive people you know, are they sitting around waiting for someone to call? Or are they out there living, laughing, creating, exploring? They're the ones with stories to tell. They're the ones who light up when they talk about their passions. They're the ones who make you think, I want to be part of that energy. So here's what happens when you shift. Instead of, why haven't they called? You start thinking, I wonder what adventure I'll have today. Instead of checking their social media to see what they're doing, you're too busy doing your own thing to care. Instead of being available every second in case they reach out, you have your own schedule, your own priorities. And suddenly, they start noticing the space where you used to be. They start remembering what they liked about you in the first place. They start wondering if maybe they took you for granted. Okay, here's what I want you to do. Find a quiet moment. Doesn't matter if your eyes are open or closed. Just pause. Take a slow breath in and feel everything settle. Now picture them on their phone, scrolling, bored. Maybe they're lying in bed. Maybe they're on a break at work. Maybe they're just having one of those moments where nothing feels quite right. Then suddenly, your name hits them. Not because they saw a photo or a post, because something inside them whispered, I miss them. They stop scrolling. They feel that tug in their gut. I need to talk to them, not want. Need. Like something's missing and they just realized what it is. Let that picture get clear. See them hesitating for just a second, maybe wondering if they should call or text. See them choosing to call because texting doesn't feel like enough. Feel that little buzz of your phone in your hand. See their name lighting up your screen. What does it say when you answer? Hey, I've been thinking about you. I miss you. Can we talk? I know it's random, but maybe they're calling to apologize. Maybe they're calling because they realized they made a mistake. Maybe they're calling because life doesn't feel the same without you in it. Smile. Because it's already done. The moment you can see it clearly, feel it really, without desperation, it's already on its way. But here's the trick, and this is where most people mess it up. Once you see it, you let it go. You don't sit there replaying that visualization over and over. You don't check your phone every 10 seconds wondering when it's going to happen. You don't force it. You don't start acting weird around them if you see them in person. You go live your damn life. Cook that meal you've been wanting to try. Call that friend you haven't talked to in months. Take that class you've been putting off. Go for a walk and actually notice the trees. Dance to your favorite song. Watch something stupid on TV and laugh until your sides hurt. Read that book that's been collecting dust. Plan that trip you've been dreaming about. Because you're not waiting for their call, you're expecting it. And while you're expecting it, you're building a life so good that when they do call, you're genuinely happy to hear from them, but not because you needed them to call, because you wanted them to be part of your amazing day. There's a difference. Which one are you being right now? Are you the person waiting for life to start when they call? Or are you the person living such a good life that their call is just the cherry on top? Here's what I know about you. You wouldn't be watching this if you weren't ready for something different. You wouldn't be here if you were okay with feeling powerless. You're here because you know there's another way. A way where you don't have to beg for attention. A way where you don't have to wonder if you're worth calling. A way where you remember that you're the prize. Not because you're perfect, not because you never make mistakes, but because you're rare. Because there's only one you. Because anyone who gets to be in your life is lucky. And when you really believe that, not just think it, but feel it in your bones, everything changes. If you're feeling this, let me know in the comments. What's the first thing you'll do when they actually call you? Are you going to play it cool? Are you going to be genuinely happy to hear from them? Are you going to have something interesting to tell them about your day? Let's make it real. Tell me below. And listen, if this resonated with you, if you felt something shift while you were watching, that's not an accident. That's your intuition telling you you're on the right track. You're done being the one who always reaches out first. You're done being the one who's always available. You're done making someone a priority who treats you like an option. Starting today, you're magnetic. Starting today, you're the one people miss when you're not around. Starting today, you remember your worth. And if you want more real talk videos like this, stuff that doesn't sugarcoat it, but actually helps you get what you want, hit that subscribe button. Turn on the bell so you don't miss the next one. Because you're not here to stay stuck. You're here to get what you want without begging for it. You're here to remember that you don't chase, you attract. Don't forget to join the channel membership if you want exclusive videos I don't share anywhere else. Videos where I go even deeper, where I share the strategies that I usually only tell my close friends, where we talk about the real stuff, the stuff that actually changes your life. I'll see you there. And hey, when they call, don't be surprised. You'll know it was always meant to happen because you're not the same person who started watching this video. You're someone who knows their worth, and that changes everything.